Are you trying to write your college essays and you feel stuck and you're about to use AI? Well, stop. I'm Amor Carthy, aka Coach Carthy, and I am the founder and CEO of Education Innovations, where we help guide your journey from college admissions to life beyond. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more videos that will help you get into college and prepare for life after college. You know what? I believe I have the steps that will help you write an amazing college essay without the use of AI. But if you need it, I understand, but you won't need it after you use these 5 steps. And the 5 steps are: first, pick a prompt, discuss, write, read aloud, and revise. And I'm going to go into each of these steps, but before I do, I want to talk to you about why the admissions officers are even having you write an essay. The reason why is they don't even get to meet you. So, they have to have something where they get to know who you are. They're looking at your test scores, they're looking at your transcript, and so this essay is important because they're getting a glimpse of who you are. So you want to take your time and you want to put some effort into it, because this is a part of the puzzle, so they'll know whether or not that you will contribute to their college community and who you are. And I want you to understand that you have everything within you to create and write an amazing essay, but the most important thing is that you have lived your life. You are the only person that has lived your life, so you are one of one. You can do it. All right. Before you even think about using AI, you want to go through these steps. So the first step is you want to pick a prompt. There are 7 different prompts that you can choose from on the Common App, and I know that you can find one. You want to pick the prompt that you feel excited about. If you're not excited, think about the prompt that you feel most comfortable writing about. It only has to be, the maximum words you have to write are 650 words. Just 650 words. You pick a Common App prompt that you feel most passionate or you feel like you can write a lot about. And so there's plenty of topics you can choose from. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to discuss it with someone. And the reason why you want to discuss what you're going to write about regarding the prompt that you chose is it will allow you to hear your thoughts out loud. And if someone doesn't necessarily understand your ideas, you will be able to clarify. This will help you in the writing process. The next step you want to do is you want to write, and you want to write for at least 45 minutes straight. And you want to either write on a notebook or on a piece of paper, or you want to type on a computer your essay for 45 minutes straight. Don't think about the word count. Don't think about grammar. Don't think about spelling. You just want to go ahead and write for 45 minutes straight. Then I want you to go ahead and close your computer or your journal. Close everything. Turn over your paper. Don't look at it for 6 hours to a day. Go about your business. Then I want you to come back and I want you to read aloud your essay. The reason why I want you to read aloud your essay is so that you can see if it reads well. Is it smooth? Does it give all the details that you want? This will help you with the revision process. The next step after you have read it aloud is to add revisions. Does the grammar need to be changed? Is the spelling off? You can go ahead and change that. Do you need more details? Have you left out anything? So you will go ahead and do that. Then the next thing that you will do is you go back to the 4th step, which is to read aloud again. So you're seeing if does it read well, and then you revise again. Is it to the word count? You're going to go over this process of, a few more times. It's a process. It's not a one and done. After you have gone through a couple of revisions, you like it, then you want to have someone read over it that you trust. And then if it's the way that you like it, go ahead and submit it. But if you need more one-on-one support, we would love to help you. Just make sure to book a call so that you can learn about more services that we have. We hope this helps.